Emily is in a big city. She lost mom and dad. She found the city station. A train arrived. This train goes to the airport. Did Emily find the right train? Let's see what happens next.
Good thing he told me.
I found the station. But where are Mom and Dad?
The express to Central City is now boarding on platform 4.
Mom? Dad? I hope they are here. Emily! Huh? Mom! Dad!
Emily, we're here, sweetie.
Hey kiddo, we missed you.
I missed you too.
We were worried.
Yes, I was lost for a moment.
But you found the station.
I read the signs. And I asked people for help.
That was very smart.
We are proud of you.
At first, I was scared.
It's okay to feel that way.
But look at you now.
Now I'm excited. The city felt very big.
But you stayed calm.
And you asked for help.
Yes, now I know.
If you feel lost,
Look at the signs. Ask for help. And stay calm.
The big city does not feel scary anymore.
Have you ever been lost? Tell me in the comments.
Thank you for practicing slow English listening. See you in the next story.